then what will happen? Look carefully. You can see here is only one centriole, and the kinetochore microtubules has attacked the centriole. So what will happen? These are proteins. What are these? These are proteins, and they contain actin, myosin filaments and other filaments, and they will start pulling. They will start contracting. So whenever these proteins are contracting, they have been anchored into the cytoplasm by these astral fibers. So these astral fibers will anchor the centriole into the cytoplasm, and these fibers will start pulling the chromosome. So when they pull the chromosome on that side and these fibers pull the chromosome on this side, so what will happen? The chromosome will be ruptured. The chromosome will break at centromere. So whenever it breaks at centromere, what will happen? That one chromosome will be divided into how many chromosomes? Into 2 chromosomes. So that will become like this. Look. So we have divided this one chromosome into how many chromosomes? Into 2 chromosomes. And that will happen in anaphase. So the cell from metaphase will enter to anaphase. And let us see here. Anaphase. So ana means separation. Ana means separation. So what does it mean by separation? Separation of chromosomes. So here you can see that we will draw the 2 chromosomes like this, and again those red ones, and again these green ones. So can you see here, dear friends, that this is our centriole, right? And these are our fibers, done, and these are our kinetochore fibers. So what have these kinetochore fibers done? These kinetochore fibers pulled the chromosomes at centromere and divided each chromosome into how many chromosomes? Into 2 chromosomes. Now listen carefully. Here inside the cell, how many chromosomes are present? 46. Here how many? 46. Here 46. But here one chromosome is divided to 2, and 46, when we divide them into 2, when we multiply them by 2, they will become 92 chromosomes. 92. So during anaphase, in the cell there will be how many chromosomes? 92 chromosomes present. Why? Because one chromosome is multiplied by 2, and 46 chromosomes when multiplied by 2, so what will happen? 92 chromosomes will be created. Done. Let us move towards the telophase. This is our telophase. So what happens during telophase? This telophase is actually opposite to the prophase. Many books say that this telophase is opposite to prophase. So what is that? During prophase and prometaphase, nuclear membrane had been disappeared, but during telophase, the nuclear membrane will again reappear. How? Listen to me, friends. First of all, whenever the end point of this telophase occurs, all the one set of chromosome, 46 chromosome, will move to that pool, and 46 chromosome will move towards this pool. So friends, look carefully. This is our centriole here, and this is our centriole here. So what has happened, that this, due to the pulling action of kinetochore microtubules, one set of chromosome have reached here, and one set of chromosome have gone there. So you tell me please that 92 chromosomes are present here, 46 will be gone on that side, 46 will have come on this side. So due to the pulling of the kinetochore microtubules, one set, 46 chromosome will move to that pool, and 46 chromosome will move to this pool. This will occur at the end point of the anaphase. Done. So what will happen during telophase? So during telophase, again the nuclear membrane will reappear, right? Nuclear membrane will what? Will reappear and will be formed around the both sets of the chromosome which are present inside the cell. Clear? So you can see what have we done. We have divided one nucleus into two nuclei inside a cell, and this is what really happens in mitosis. So in mitosis we have only divided the nucleus, then we will see further in that step. Done. So during telophase what happens? Nuclear membrane reforms. When nuclear membrane is reformed, microtubules disappear. Microtubules disappear. You can see here we don't have other microtubules which were present in the cell, like these kinetochore and polar, all those have been vanished, have been disappeared. So during telophase, nuclear membrane reforms around each set of the chromosomes, and what happens? Microtubules disappear. Then the next phase is the cytokinesis. Okay, let's know about the cytokinesis. So the cell comes to cyto means cell, and kinesis means splitting. So cytokinesis. What happens during cytokinesis? In the cell membrane, there are special proteins, and whenever these proteins at a specific point, these are called laminin proteins. Which proteins? Laminin proteins. At a special point, when the laminin proteins are phosphorylated, phosphorylation. So whenever there is the phosphorylation of laminin proteins in the cell membrane, what will happen? The cell membrane will start invagination, right? It will start invaginating like this, and they will make a groove in the cell membrane. You can see here, friends. Here are the two nuclei which were present. Done. And each have how many chromosomes? 46 chromosomes. And in each cell there is a copy of centriole. Done. So during cytokinesis, what will happen? This groove will further move inside like this and will join the line which was coming from that side. So you can see the cell membrane have been divided. Here was only one home, one house, and we have made a wall in between them, right? So the cell have become two cells. One cell has become divided to two cells. So you can see here that here is one cell and here is that other cell. Clear? So let's write the detail of these cells. This was a cell, and this is another cell which were coming from these. Look here, each cell has 46 chromosomes. Done. And look, here in the chromosome, what is the amount of DNA? 2N, right? And here in the chromosome here, what is the amount of DNA? 1N. Why? Because this 2N has been divided into 2. Right? So whenever you divide 2 by 2, it means 1. So here in the cell, in the chromosome, how many DNA? 1N. And here in the chromosome will be like this. Right? Chromosomes are like this. I mean single structured. So single structured chromosome has 1N DNA, and here also 1N DNA. What is the number of chromosomes? 46 here, and here also 46, right? So we mean from 46 we means diploid, and here also diploid. So you know that we have started with a diploid cell. I had told you the detail. We had started with a diploid cell and ended up with the same diploid cell. Such process which occurs inside our body, which produces copies of the cells which have same number of chromosomes, same amount of DNA, such process which occurs in our body is called mitosis. Clear, dear friends? So this was a little, or you can say a full detail of mitosis that we did here, and inshallah in the next lecture we will discuss about meiosis. So to you guys, it's a humble request that if you like our lectures, please share these videos with your friends, and also do subscribe our channel. You dear friends, please don't forget to comment me in the comment section, write your suggestions about these lectures, that either you like these lectures or not. So let's see in the next lecture regarding meiosis. Thank you so much.